Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are fixing this concrete stair using an Amazon box and some of this board from the Dollar Tree. So I found, as you can see, this is all falling apart. We've got pieces coming off of it and it's really cracked. It needs to be repaired. I found this Amazon box that fits just underneath it that I'm going to use as the bottom side of my form. I already took the liberty of, here's my template, by the way. This is foam board from the Dollar Tree, and the reason why I use that, as well as the cardboard box, is you need 2 layers to be strong enough to handle the concrete, and this fiber board, or whatever you call it, ready board, foam board from the Dollar Tree, makes a very smooth finish. So I want to use that as my base. So I started out by cutting this box into 2 pieces. But it's not big enough because I want it to go under here, but it needs to go a little bit further. So you get to see how I did that. Board piece will fit over top of that, and that will be strong enough to handle the concrete. And you want to use a fast setting concrete because it sets up in about 10 to 15 minutes, whereas all the other concrete, this is the red one, all the other concrete takes 24 hours and it'll crack. You got to keep it wet. This is just wonderful stuff, and it lasts forever, so don't think it's going to be any different. So now the second part of this is we want to build the inside to make it a nice square finish. Hey, really Chloe, you're gonna get smushed. Gotta get out of there, bro. Okay. So I cut a piece of foam board that fits into that space. Put a nice corner on that. I need to go off the tape. What a nice smooth corner. Sharp edges. There we go. Alright, so now we've done the inside, so when we fill our hole up, it should fill all the way up. And then we're going to block that off with some big rocks.